What's up everyone? Today we're gonna make garlic chili noodles. This dish is loaded with strong umami flavors, spicy heat, and an aromatic garlic kick. It's quick to make, vibrant, and seriously delicious. I'm Chris and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a home cook who loves sharing easy, tasty recipes that empower you to make great food at home. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need for this simple but flavor-packed dish. 10 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, 3 green onions or scallions, a handful of cilantro, about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Let's prepare the garlic. Peel and mince the garlic. I'm using a garlic press as it makes this quick and even, especially with the amount of garlic we're using. Add them to a large mixing bowl. We'll take our green onions and thinly slice them. Toss them into the mixing bowl as well. Then add the sesame seeds. For the carrots, peel and julienne them into 1 to 2 inch thin strips. When you're cutting the carrots, I would cut them into slices while the bottom of the carrot is flat. With a firm grip, this prevents it from rolling around. Then I would rotate to julienne. So in the video that inspired me to make this, which I'll link in the description below, cucumber was used. I'm personally not a fan of cucumbers, so I found carrots to be the perfect substitute for me. Carrots add a natural sweetness, crunch, and color. Now for the cilantro. Pick the leaves off the stem, then give it a quick rinse to remove any sand and dirt. Loosely chop the cilantro leaves and set aside with the carrots. Alright, let's cook our noodles. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. The noodles I'm using here are called Shaanxi noodles. These are wide, flat noodles that are similar in shape to rice noodles, which are perfect for soaking up the chili garlic sauce. Any noodle with a wide surface area, like udon, would work great too. I would avoid using thin noodles like vermicelli or chow mein. In my opinion, they don't cling to the sauce the same way. Once the pot is boiling, add the noodles and cook them according to the package directions, about 5 minutes for these noodles I'm using. Drain and rinse with cold water to stop them from overcooking. Now another key flavor step that is required is to pour hot oil over our garlic, green onions, and sesame seeds. The hot oil releases essential oils that intensifies the fragrance of the aromatics. You'll smell that garlicky aroma instantly. I'm heating 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil until it starts to smoke lightly. In the meantime, let's make our sauce mixture. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, white sugar works as well, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is mainly used to give the noodles a nice deep brown color. In addition, have sesame oil, chili bean paste, and chili flakes ready. Now, let's assemble and put it all together. Add in the hot oil over the garlic, spring onions, and sesame seeds. I love to hear that sizzle. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, a pinch of chili flakes, adjust to your own spice tolerance, and a generous tablespoon of chili bean paste. Pour in the sauce, add in the noodles, and toss everything together gently. Fold in half the carrots and cilantro. Toss again. Then add the rest. Look at those colors. Orange, green, red, brown. It's beautiful. Plate this in a large casserole bowl and it's ready to serve. Alright, now it's time for the taste test. This looks amazing. Cheers! Bon appetit! Okay. I really like how that sauce, the soy sauce, oyster sauce, savory, full of umami, just the noodles just soak that all up. So the noodles taste amazing. You get a little bit of crunch from the carrots and the sesame seeds, a little bit of spice from the chili bean paste, and some chili flakes. This is really delicious. You have the freshness from the cilantro. And if you look at this dish overall, it looks so colorful. You have your oranges, your reds, brown, green. All blends very well together. It's delicious. So when you have a presentation that goes with this, along with the taste, that's a match made in heaven. Yeah, it's really good. And there you have it. Garlic chili noodles. Spicy, fresh, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In addition, if you'd like to support me and get access to extras like bonus content and written recipes, check out my Patreon. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.